Welcome friends, in this video we learn how to make this type of object in VMC machining. Now first of all we start from this, check of the height. Now check the height of the both emboss shape. Now you can see here the both is in equal height, so we place the MCS at center of this object from here, this height. Now sketch, select this face and OK. Now first of all enter in machining mode, select here manufacturing and now select here mill contour. OK. Now here you can see the MCS is at bottom. Now first of all set this MCS at the top of this face. Now select this, OK, and sketch. Finish the sketch. Now this MCS is placed at this intersection point. Now right click here, select the geometry views. You can see the MCS option is visible. Now select this one, click on this MCS mill, select here and now select this intersect point and press here OK. You can see the MCS is changed. Now MCS is at top of this face, middle of the object. Now click on the workpiece, select the workpiece, OK. Here this type of material, all this solid. Now OK. Now right click here, right click on workpiece, select and enter in insert and select the operation. Now you can see here the first option is cavity mill. Now select this one. Now here part is already specified. Now specify the cut area, select this one, tangent, all the face, OK. Now before radius of this shape, first of all we rough this shape with the help of CR. Tool, select this, create new, mm CR, OK. Now enter the tool diameter 12 mm, OK. Now here flow on periphery, percentage 50%. Now maximum distance 0.3 in per cut. You can see here the 70 mm. This one is a range of depth. Select here, measure 70 mm. Now cut in for depth 0.3 mm. Now cutting parameter inward, depth first. Now provide the stock 15.15 SMS fluid. Nothing to change. Okay, now non-cutting moves, cutter enter to start the cut the material. Now this one is a ramp on shape 0.3 ramp angle and 0.3 height, same as close, same as engage, nothing to change, do not change. Okay, now select the parameter, this one as per your cutter parameter. Okay, you can see here. Now we rough with the help of big cutter diameter, change this one, and change the depth of cut 0.5, generate the program. Now you can see here, simulate this. Increase the speed. Now remove the material. Okay, now select here, insert, operation, select this contour area, press OK. Now here, because here the radius is given, so select the curvature for the contour areas में select the tool 5 mm ball. Okay, diameter 5 mm, select the areas, tangent. Okay, okay, now generate the program. You can see here. Now this is our finishing part. Now thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.